In this video, you'll learn how to copy a plan in Microsoft Planner. This is really useful when you already have a well-structured plan set up and you don't want to start from scratch every time. Maybe you run similar projects regularly or you have a template you like to reuse. By copying a plan, you can quickly create a new one with the same structure and then just tweak the details. First, make sure you're signed in to Microsoft Planner with your work or school account. Once you're in, start by opening the specific plan you want to duplicate. You'll see your usual layout with buckets, tasks, and all the familiar planner tools. It's important that you're actually inside the plan you want to copy, not just looking at the planner hub, so double check that the plan's board is visible. Next, you'll look for the menu that lets you access the copy option. At the very top of the screen, near the plan's title, there's a small arrow pointing down. This arrow is right next to the name of your plan and opens a menu with additional options. Click on that arrow to display the menu. From this menu, choose the option called Copy Plan. As soon as you click this, a pop-up window will appear. This window is where you configure all the details for your new plan before it's created. Take a moment here. You don't want to rush through this part because the choices you make will determine how your new plan is set up. At the top of the pop-up, you'll see a space to enter the title of your new plan. Click into that box and type the name you want to use. Think about something clear and descriptive so you can easily recognize it later, especially if you'll be creating multiple copies over time. Under the title, you'll see an option to choose the group for your new plan. Every planner plan belongs to a Microsoft 365 group, which controls who has access and how it connects with other tools like Outlook and Teams. Here you can decide whether you want to add this new plan to an existing group, maybe the same group as the original plan, or keep it separate. Use the drop-down or selection options to pick the group that makes the most sense for the people who will be using the plan. Below that, you'll find the section that lets you choose what to include when you copy the plan. Click on Include to toggle items on or off. You can choose to bring over priorities so task importance levels are preserved. You can also include start and due dates if you want the timeline to stay the same, or leave those out if this is a new schedule. There's the option to copy descriptions, which is helpful if your tasks have detailed notes you want to reuse. You can also include checklists so all the subtasks come across. And finally, you can carry over labels, which is useful if you rely on color coding or categories. Once you've set the title, chosen the group, and selected what you want to include, you're ready to create the new plan. At the bottom of the pop-up window, click the Copy Plan button. Planner will then create your new plan based on the settings you chose. After a moment, you'll see your duplicated plan ready for you to adjust, assign tasks, and start working.